Let's talk about Corsair Gaming K70 mechanical keyboard with backlit blue LED, Cherry MX Red CH9000085 Na. Cherry MX Red mechanical switches smooth, linear key response for ultra-fast double and triple taps without the audible click. Key customizable backlighting brilliant blue LEDs with adjustable brightness and per-key programmability to light up just the keys you need. Contoured, textured WASD keycaps keep your eyes on the action with easy-to-locate FPS keys. Anodized black brushed aluminum chassis professional-grade look and feel plus the rugged durability needed for hours of gaming. 100 anti-ghosting with 104 key rollover on USB. Every keystroke translates into accurate gameplay. Detachable full-length wrist-rest soft touch design that's comfortable for hours of play and easy to remove if it gets in your way.